Welcome! If you are wonder if the XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 2021 European edition comes with the silicone case inside the box, I'll show you it's true or not. Now we'll just open the box, and here, as can you see, we have now the silicone case inside the box, but here also we get the second just paper box, and here, as can you see, we get our protective silicone case inside this box, and as can you see, we get the silicone protective clear case inside the box of our device. So that's how it looks, and if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.